Hazardous thought for a hazardous mind. The name of the game isn't hard to find. Isn't hard to find. Hazardous thought for a hazardous mind. The name of the game isn't hard to find. Isn't hard to find. Let out your hazardous thoughts from your hazardous mind. Hello, my little Hazardites, and today, as you can see, we're going to be playing the demo of Resident Evil 4, the remake, to go with the line of new remake games. This is the Chainsaw demo. The game's currently being developed, so this is not the full factual of the game yet. Right, audio, we need to put that to headphones, obviously, because I can't have it coming out of the speaker. Yeah, everything else is fine, I'll just leave that as is. Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. Start game. Yeah. So, yeah, those who know, this is from an old game that was developed. So it's been made more 3D sort of thing. So, yeah, we're going to go with it. Developed by Capcom, obviously. Main story, okay. Well, it looks alright so far. Got that ambiance that we're all used to in a lonely forest, all dark and foggy, misty. Loading screens. Loading? Cool. It's definitely taking a while. Might be just the first reload. Right, here we go.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget.
Ooh, I like that. They got clips from the remakes.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out.
Evil 2.
Thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Remake that they
Somehow
did.
I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
So they had all things like that in the movie that they made.
Missions nearly killed me.
In the
but at least I
3D
kept
effects.
my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second.
Yeah.
This time, it can be different. It has to.
It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. Special Agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity that was to befall him. Chapter 1. Bit glitchy, but that's to be expected, being a demo. Okay, oh, to look. Nice, nice. Yeah. Ooh, someone's lost a boot. Can't go in there. He's walking like he's drunk. That's a little bit of a niggle. I don't like that. Can I interact with anything? Yes, no. Just there for looks. Okay. No. Definitely can't interact with that. Fine. L3 or R1 to run. Okay. Run, you fools. Alright, go round.
How far could he have gone?
Ooh. Bit of backstory would help. But then again, if you've played the original Resident Evil 4, you'd know that he was being transported by a couple of cops. Well, I think they're cops. And they go missing. Ooh, lovely. Now we're getting remnants of Resident Evil 7, that lovely dinner that was made for us in Resident Evil 7, the village. I like the way he interacts with the things around him, like bushes and things like that. That's good. Alright, crouch and stand. Okay. Go under. Oh, crows. Okay. Got crows from the original Resident Evil 4 as well. A few bones and carcasses. Can I interact with any of these things? Use it as a weapon maybe? No? Okay. It seems pretty basic. I'll touch it. Anything in these? He's drunk again. Look. He can't even stand. The guy's had too much booze. Right. Interact with the door. I say the interaction with the hair's a little bit bleh. I don't like that, but again, it's a demo. It's not the full thing.
Anyone
yet,
home?
So there's gonna be minor glitches everywhere, and his hair is one of them. It's not interacting with the scenery around it. It's sort of like just flittering around. Yeah, flitter, 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 flitter. Nothing in here. Oh, there we go. An idol of some sort, like Blair Witch Project now. There we are. Crude charm. Judgment is nigh. Obtain file. Well, thank you. Anything in the pockets over here? Some first aid canisters maybe? Nope. That room was a load of nothing. Tra-la-la. Alright. Go down. Ooh, what are these? Antlers and jawbones. Nice. Okay. This is all remnant of Resident Evil 7 again. The shack house that was in shambles. A locked door.
Guys, I'm trying to find a key. I'm trying to find a key.
Where's the key? Where's the key? Where's the beautiful key? Find the key, find the key. Oh, how happy you'll be.
Interact with the door. Oh, a cutscene. Oh, hello. I remember you from the original as well. Certainly made him
Sorry
look
to barge in
different
like this.
to the original. Sort of like giving them their own identities and not made them all look the same. As if they're some sort of twin or triplets. Aha! There you go, yeah. Police. Like the Italian police. Oh! Don't you dare. Get back. Nice.
Roadhouse.
Round kick, Leon. Roundhouse. Oh, I'm still alive. Alright. I got the key. Aha, Hunter Lodge key. Excellent. And there's that Illuminati symbol on there. Good. They're keeping it to the original there. Can I pick this up? Anything of interest here? No? Officer's badge.
Mario!
Yes, Mario. Dun. No, sorry. Check out my weapons. I don't get caught unawares. A gun. 10 bullets. Good. That's how I do a knife slash. I don't like the controls very much. They seem a little bit wonky. Yep.
Man, that's
Resident Evil 7. She's made me another dinner. Ugh. No thank you, I'm good. No, I don't really want to waste bullets. No. I thought we could smash the barrel, maybe get an item. No. I mean, if I shoot and then someone comes in because I've heard a bang, nah. You just stay there, mate, alright? Alright, go back to that door and open it up. All this writing on the walls is all in some foreign language I can't pronounce. I think that was forgiven or something. Forgive. I mean, most of the items on the floor are just like odds and sods. They're sort of like duplicated them and dotted them around everywhere. You know, just to give you the ambiance, as I said. Anything in the barrels? Secret items, maybe? Like the USB finger? No? No hidden surprises? Fine. Okay. Just a load of junk. There we go. What's that? Ooh, there's a rat in here. You dirty rat. I mean, look at the hair. The hair is terrible. I mean, they could have at least done something with the hair. I know it's a demo. I keep saying that. I know it's a demo, but come on. You know, you could have done his hair at least. But then again, thinking how long it takes to animate hair, I don't blame them. You know, they'd be there forever trying to animate this thing. Ooh. Just noticed there's a oh, what are they called? Those walkie-talkies, that's it. One of those walkie-talkie things are going off somewhere. Nice. Changing the wall. Another cutscene. Oh, there he is.
Hey.
This don't look good. Oh dear. I'm a bit late. Hello?
I read you. What's your situation?
I'm in the process of being killed. Sorry. Sorry, can't talk. Bit busy getting killed. Alright, ready weapon and R2 to shoot. I figured that out already, but thank you. These barrels have got no. Again, no. Might as well try them. You never know. One of them might break and give me an item. Is this a secret room? Can I push this? No. Interact with this? No. Okay, fine. Won't interact with that.
What was that?
Probably someone coming down the stairs. It's obvious, isn't it? You know? What's that? Like you've never been in a horror movie before. Come on, you've done this all before, Leon. You should be well versed in what's round the corners. Oh, what's that? Who is he? Oh my god, it's you! How the hell are you moving? Yeah. Oh, really hard to aim.
This just keeps getting worse.
Well, lucky I got him there. I mean, he had a broken neck. How the hell did he get back up? Any items I can pick off of him? No. Okay, so that's not like the original. Usually when you shoot the people, they end up disintegrating or something and you get an item from their corpse, but obviously that's not part of this game. Yeah, I can hear you all. Madano, all the trigger words that they said in the original. Ooh, a lock. I hadn't noticed that. Maybe something's locked inside I can break out? No? No. Okay. It's sort of like it's leading you in and you get hints from the other game. But obviously they haven't done anything with that yet. So yeah, it's pretty much just basic gameplay and enemies. Oh no, this reminds me of the woman in Resident Evil 7 when she came to the door.
Stay the fuck out!
Hopefully the characters won't be as glitchy as that. Oh, another cutscene. Cool. I can see where all the budget went. Went on the cutscenes. Oh. It's the president's daughter.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here, what's your sit rep?
Oh,
President's daughter.
yeah, I like that. We actually see her as the person, not
Our intel was correct
like
then.
an
Well done.
image on the side of the
Need a
screen,
location on a nearby lake.
like the
She may have
original.
been taken there.
Copy that.
We actually
I'll see
have
what I can
her
find.
as a character in the game.
Something's happened to the
It
people here.
seems.
My escorts
Yeah.
are.
Oh, here they come. Here's Johnny.
Talk
No,
later.
sorry. Wrong movie. Yeah.
Myself out.
Look through the window. Not gonna jump after me? Wimp. Handsy. Look at my hair, look at it. There's not even any wind around here and it's moving on its own. Head for the lake. Okay. Like, I've been here before, like I know where I'm going. I mean, okay, I've got a map, but, you know, geez. Yeah, blood across the bridge is not a good sign. The rocks are a bit glitchy. I think they're gonna fall on me, but they're not. It's just glitch. Glitch, glitch, glitch. Right, there we go, round here. Is that, no, no. Thought there might have been a secret way to go through. Another crow. See, in the in the original, if you shot the crows, you got coins. So, aha, barrel with yellow. Yellow signifies interaction. Here we go. See, I knew one of them was going to do it. More bullets. That's good. Always good to have more bullets. No. Just the ones with yellow then. Anything with yellow is interactable. Bear that in mind. It's like ledges in other games. They're usually yellow to signify that they're interactable. There you go. There's another one. Gunpowder. Ooh. Oh, a save point. Can't save. Great. Okay. So if I die here, I'm screwed. Obviously, I'm going to go back to the beginning of the game again if I die here. Thanks. Appreciate it. Here we go. I'm going to try shooting one of the crows. See if I get any money. Oh, that poor wolf. Oh, something came out of it. That's good. Right. Into the house. Hello. We have a drawer. Ah, okay.
Use the force, Luke.
Okay. Didn't work very well on the interaction with drawers then, I see. Because his hand was miles away from the actual drawer. He sort of used Jedi mind tricks sort of thing to open the drawer. Alright, crouch. I like that. Backgrounds here are pretty nice to look at, you know. Obviously, they haven't done a lot with the like sun and directional thing, you know. When I start speaking, I know what I want to say, but the words just don't come out how I think they're going to come out. You know what I mean? Basically, the light source in the game is not interacting with the direction of the character. It's sort of like everything's at a box standard shade. There's no shading. There you go, there's no shading. Oh, thanks. He got me. Okay, what's the arrows mean? Can I interact with them? Yeah. I really don't like the gun targeting system in this. It makes it very difficult because when you shoot the gun, oh gosh, he's like that other one, his neck's broken but he's still getting up. Oh, there you go, they're letting out items melting away. It was just the other guy that didn't do that. Fine, okay. I suppose they'll do it from now on. Anything in the truck? Handy item? Shotgun maybe? No. I can hear them, but I can't see anybody. Oh, there's one of those totem poles with the skulls on them. They're from the original Resident Evil 4. So we've got some items from the original game that have been plunked in just for decor. But yeah, as I was saying, the light source. Oh, hello. One of those traps. Haha, you thought you had me. You thought you had me. Haha, fooled you. Alright, okay. Something in here. Hello. Whoa! Alright, easy! What the heck was that? Get on the floor, you! Jeez! I'm gonna take the gunpowder, but jeez! And did you see that? When he hit me with the item, I ended up having like a cut through me. Like, you know, I've been chopped in half. But then it disappears. Wow. Mysterious. And that's without the gloopy juice. You know, it was explained in Resident Evil 7 that he wasn't the real guy. He was part of the virus that had been created after he got killed in the beginning of the game. And that's why the goop juice was keep repairing him every time it was used. But what's his excuse? Leon's not part of the whatever it's called, the Ouroboros or whatever it is. He's not part of that. So how is he repairing himself? Mysterious. Oh, skull fell down. Nah. Oh. Aha! Here we are. This is very familiar. This area is familiar. Got the police officer in the fire area. Alright, here we go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, alright. There's more of them than I thought. Good lord, how many are there? I mean, in the original you had like a few, maybe. But here you've got like a whole city.
Next.
Shut off! I can't even aim the gun. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. What? Who? You! Oh, you cow. Oh, you. Oh, gee, and now I'm out of bullets. Great, wonderful, out of life, out of bullets, out of luck. Thanks. Broke my neck. Thank you. Jeez. Continue. Continue playing where you saved. I didn't save. So I'm going to end up going all the way back to the beginning again. It wouldn't let me save. Oh, continue. Okay. You don't have to wait for it to load. That's good. Right. This time, I'm not going to throw the flash grenade. That was a bad idea. Yeah. Oh, hello. Interactable area. a rock. Ah. We're not going to communicate with that woman again, obviously, like we did in the original. I've got to stop thinking of the original. This is not the original, it's a remake. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's horrific. Oh my goodness. Well, that's certainly different. A bunch of chickens on the floor. Ew. How do you like your meat? Char grilled by the looks of it. Oh. ¿Dónde está? I'm not here. I'm a figment of your imagination. Bog off. Right. I understand. Yeah. Okay. Certain materials such as resources, gunpowder, knives, crafted into different items. Yes, that's pretty much like the original. Okay, good. I like that. Alright. Okay, not like the original. Just push a button and they combine. Okay, fine. Oh, and I've got a spray can as well. Good, good, good. That means I've got a little bit of life. There's the map. If you become lost, I'm not going to become lost because I'm going around this map. I pretty much know the area from the original. And this is pretty much like the original. I'm not sure no one's round corners. Alright. Okay. Oh, hello. Get the chicken. Haha, stealth mode. I like that. Got stealth mode. Good, good, good. Excellent. Interact with that. Resources. Aha! That means I can create bullets. Yay! Right, let's do that before all hell breaks loose. And I'm taking it this is going to be the same craft. Yeah. I don't mind that. That's a pretty nifty way of doing it. Better than combine. You know, that's good. Okay. Any ladders? Can't see any ladders. Yes, I hear you. I'm with you there, missus. Alright, okay. Another interactable item. Mist. Gunpowder. But what's the point in giving me all this gunpowder when I can't get the materials to create bullets? It would be helpful if there were more of them. Take this. Boom.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, jeez. What? I thought that was going to be... Yeah. Ooh, gruesome. Right. Okay. Oh my goodness, here they come. Right. Yeah. Oh, ouch. I can't even aim. Right. Look. Take... Oh. Jeez. Right. Oh, you. Oh. You're evil with that thing. Right. Stabby. I'm gonna conserve bullets. I haven't got enough bullets to shoot all of you, so I'm going to use my knife. Come on. Come on. Come into my knife. That's it. That's it. What? You tricky. Oh, you. Get off. That's it. Yes. Right. Counter. 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 Go on. Oh, that was good. No. You as well. Counter. Look. Come on. Stop standing there and just come into my blade. Look. What the hell? He got about 5 hits in me where I'm only getting like 1. Jeez, come on. Oh, this is not fair. I don't need money, I need items. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, come on, come on, come on. First aid, luckily. Oh, look. I'm stabbing at him, he's not. Look! And another one behind me. Look, this is not fair. They're coming from all angles. Whoa, that was some Matrix right there. Oh my goodness, here he is. The chainsaw guy. Oh my goodness. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, that's it. Resign. Get off! What the hell? No. Oh, jeez. Oh, missus. Oh. Oh, you. Oh, she's feisty. That one was feisty, wasn't she? Woohoo. You can perform fatal attacks with a knife when you approach the enemy behind or stagger with them some flash grenade. Well, thank you, but you're not giving me flash grenades. Right, then breeze through this bit. Yeah. Sort of ruins the ambience when you go at double speed, though. It sounds more like a chipmunk. Oh no, I'm burning Alvin. There you go. Quick stealth mode. Oh, it was money this time. Where's the resources I need? Ah, resources. Thank goodness for that. I thought it wasn't going to give me them then. Boost my health up. Boost my bullets. Right, here we go again. One more time. Right, flash you. Woohoo! Right, here they come. Right, if I get in here, they can't come from behind. I have a bit of theory. Here we go. Alright, shoot! The gun just won't... How long does it take to reload a gun? It takes too long and they can still hit you while you're doing your gun. That's not fair. And they can hit you from the side as well. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Hell. Get off. Get off! I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, thank God, I've got that. Right, come on, come on, come on. Let me get out of here. Let me get out. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No. No, that's it. And the end is nigh. Look, look. Look. How many of you are there? Goodness sake. Look. Go away! Fog off! Look! And I can't... Look! I haven't got enough bullets! This is why I need more bullets! I mean, look, there's items around me, but I can't pick them up because there's too many people behind me. Oh...
Prepare ship for light speed!
No, light speed is too slow.
Light speed too slow?
Yes, we're gonna have to go right to ludicrous speed.
Ludicrous speed? Sir, we've never gone that fast before. I don't know if the ship can take us.
What's the matter, Colonel Sanders? Chicken?
Here we go. Stealth. Over here, in there. Nixon. Get the health back up. And out we go. Right. And. Right, here we go. One more time. Once more into the breach, dear friends. Once more. Look, I'm not even hitting her. I'm like, I'm stabbing, but it's not hitting its mark. You can't target anyone. It doesn't automatically target. Right, if I go for their legs, lower bodies, maybe I can hit them. No, they're still getting round me. They're still going from the side of me. I can't look. I really don't like this targeting system. I don't like it. And there's items here, as you can see, all around me there are items. But the only items that are close to me is freaking money, which I can't use at the moment. Oh, come on. Get him. Oh, thank you. Just stand there and wait for me to kill you. I don't mind. That's good. If you can all just line up in a straight line so I can stab you all, that will be great. You know, just come at me in a line. Right. Come on, Granny. You know, I thought I was your favourite nephew. Come on, leave me alone now. Right. Get my health up. Right. Come on. Yes. I'm getting somewhere. Come on. Oh, gee, mate. Almost had my head off then. Oh, here he comes again. Yeah, I don't need to see that face again, thank you. Idiots. A face only a mother could loathe. Right, come on. Look. Oh! No, I haven't got time to reload. It's not even giving me a chance to reload. Come on, reload. Come on, right, no. Oh, for goodness sake. Come on. Look, they're not even aiming at them. Stop it. But, oh, no, oh my, ouch. That's, oh, jeez. Louise. Oh, that's it. I'm out. I'm gonna give that one a wiper for a minute. Oh, catch my breath. Jeez, that was hectic. Right, okay. There were a few things in that game were really good, like the scenery in itself was good. Keeping to the original, like gameplay and the voice acting and things like that, I liked. That was really good. And when you got to interact with the woman, you actually interacted with her as a person and not just an image on your handset sort of thing. That was good. I like that. Things I didn't really like. Okay, it's a demo. It's not going to be like that in the complete game. But here are my niggles in this demo. The smaller things that niggle me was the light source. The fact that when you moved around, shadows and things didn't interact. And it looked like just a painting in front of you. That's a small niggle. And also the hair was another niggle. I hated the way the hair looked. It kept glitching all over the place. It wasn't even blowing in the wind. It was just blowing. You know, it just kept moving. Those are my small niggles. My big niggles, right, were the fact that the targeting system for the weapons was nowhere to be found. You basically could hold it up and have like a sight thing there, but the sight thing wouldn't always, you know, aim at the thing you were aiming at. I didn't like the fact that the people could go round to the side of you or go behind you as they were attacking you. So you had it from all angles and you couldn't get yourself round quick enough to aim and shoot. I don't like the fact that it takes forever to reload and you can't reload whilst you're in an attack. That is a little bit of a niggle. What else? The fact that there's an overwhelming amount of people that you've got to kill, and then you get the chainsaw fella come at you. You know, it's sort of like overwhelming. You've only got like 10 bullets if you don't find if you don't find those packets, if you don't find the resources to make the bullets, then you've got literally no bullets. The knife helps a little. I like it that you can counter some of the villains with a knife to the throat, or you can do sneak attacks sometimes round the back. I like that. That's great, but the knife's not always trustworthy. It doesn't always hit its mark. Sometimes you're slashing at nothing, and you know you're literally just dying. The fact that you heal, that's a small niggle as well. The fact that you seem to heal up yourself, but your life source doesn't go up. You know, it doesn't show you as a character getting the marks and things that you're receiving from the blows that you're getting handed. So yeah, I think that's it. There's pretty much just the targeting system that got me in this game, and the fact that there's overwhelming characters that you have to kill before the chainsaw guy comes out of his hiding spot. You can't get to a higher ground like in the original. You could go up on the ledges and things and shoot down, jump out of windows like he did in the cutscene. That was nowhere to be seen. The fact that you couldn't be stealthy with the guy near the gate, so you could sort of like go through and just attack the chainsaw guy and not have all the hordes of people come after you as well. That was a bit of a pain. But other than that, the fact that you put a bit of blood and what have you in it was great. I like that because it actually shows you, you know, the damage that you're causing to the people. So that's good. You know, it's actually showing the damage through blood. Yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's great. Overall, I think this demo's good for its for what it is, but they could have done a heck of a lot more to be helpful to the player. You know, they could have made it less people to have to kill, or more bullets in an area, just to show off the dynamics of the game, so you could get a feel for it, you know, with all the layouts and things. You know, I think it ruined it, the fact that they overwhelmed you and you didn't have enough ammo to survive. You know, it's sort of like throwing yourself into the lion's den sort of thing. You know you're going to die in the end, but you do it anyway. But yeah, that's my only concern, is the fact that there was too many people. But yeah, I'm going to give it another go at some point. Today was just to go through it and see what it was like and get a feel for the demo and get an idea of what the game's going to be like when it's released. I mean, it probably won't even be anything like this demo. It'll probably be 10 times better, I hope. You know, don't let it out until all the glitches are gone, you know. And yeah, great. So thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified for future videos. Hit the like button and help my channel grow, please. And also make a comment if you have any ideas of what content you want to see. Please let me know. It all helps towards getting my channel to relativity, you know. So yeah, thank you again, and as always, keep your eyes to the stars and keep brewing those hazardous thoughts. Until next time, adios.